Yeah. This, that.
RSK, let it play, boy.
Wow. Velenin, yeah. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Dropping these hits. And then the yek. Unga. Yotile heat. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Dropping these hits. And then the yek. Unga. Yotile heat. Andi'bambheki. I see the rappers is living on me. As I need shake. I ain't even gotta wake you up, so it's fine if I forget. I'm not a spawn and pretty big. She beat in pieces. RIP, no Jesus pieces. I'm a different species. I'm the type to tell another ripper, sit the fuck down, turn to lick. I'm a Buddha and Nas. I'm a Sbudah, no bag. I'm a brothers in the track. We like fucking case for the gas. And every time I drop, I know you feel the shit. On a choice, it's a must. Been killing it since 2009, still relevant. Yeah, last time. See your exes, I'm Ziantacha. I'm like, fuck that, I'm moving upper echelon. Man, I never change, I just transform. Might as well call me Megatron. There's some other shit that I'm on. Whoa. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Dropping these hits. And then the kunga. Yotile heat. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Dropping these hits. And then the kunga. Yotile heat. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Andi'bambheki. Velenin, yeah. Zambambheki. Dropping these hits. And then the kunga. Yotile heat. Andi'bambheki.